I feel good to come back to watch Konkani movies after decades of
Really?
being in
Okay.
Canada, and I think it's very funny, very nice. My family
Thank you.
enjoyed it.
Yeah. Thanks
My
for
wife
joining.
and my daughter. And my
Really. Thank you so much.
Very nice movie, entertainment, simple, honest approach. Very gawant and very dale. Thank you.
How was the review?
Okay. Great. Really enjoyed it.
It was excellent. Wouldn't go by 6:49.
Very good. Very funny.
Super. How was the movie?
Good, very good. Good time
Nice
pass.
one.
Thank you.
Yes, very nice. Actually, it's a very simple concept, but a lot of message. And Bari beautifully end, and especially the family related. Bari touching one. So, next one, all the best. And so, thanks for the support.
Family movie. Nimbari maka santosalo.
Very nice. Very nice.
Next time pupunto me anyek movie kada.
Wait, definitely, yes.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Movie was good. The best attempt I can say. It's not to that level, maybe that's what people expect.
Okay.
But then we understand this is a mature plan. Like we know the characters. I know Lucifer very well because I've been there with her.
Oh, okay.
So Magneto is known on the TV.
Oh,
So
nice.
it's a well starting thing.
Like 5 lakh की lottery first class.
हमके टिकट मिल गया. How was it?
Really movie. I think for the first time it's very good, but the message was very nice.
Nice, right? Yeah. How was it? How was the movie?
Very nice.
Yeah. Keshanali, how you enjoyed?
First Konkani.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah. Thanks for coming. How was it?
We enjoyed it.
Keshanali?
Good. Bariya.
Hey, how was it? Keshanali? Ryan, Dukra was good. How was the movie? Good. You enjoyed? Right? Which part? Keshanali? Oh, Keshanali.
It was very, very nice.
Ryan,
The last part, bari bura allo. The ending bari bura.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Where's the Naila?
Especially London, I can't even movie.
Oh, awesome. Ryan. Okay. Oh, really? Okay. Thanks for coming.
Ryan, मस्त देपोरे करून मी मूवी केल्ल्या कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमकां कॅनडांतल्या पयस आमकां चान्स मेळ्ळे कोंकणी हांगा चडा वचून कोंकणी खातीर ह्या मूवी पळोवंक आयल्यात मस्त मोग धरून आयल्यात आनी मूवी सांगता जाल्यार सुपर चड कांय व्हडले कांय कॉन्सेप्ट धरून कांय करना सिंपल आसा मूवी जोक्स आसून फुल्ल कॉमेडी मस्त लागली हांवें दुसऱ्या कडेन विचारलें तांणी मस्त पॉझिटीव रिव्ह्यूज दिली very nice. Ami, thoroughly we enjoyed. Thank you so much. Ryan and
So first of all, hats off to Jatanka. Talia Soyegawa. Thank you so much. मूवी जाऊन पुरा कले एक तानी प्रयत्न करतात खंयचे कमिटी जाऊन पुरा कले जाऊन पुरा तुळू कोंकणी खंयचे नाला करताना तांचो सांगात आसा आनी उरल्या कम्युनिटीचे आमकां सांगात करतात तुम्ही प्रत्येक जावन ईच वन ऑफ यू हियर व्हेरी स्पेशल कित्याक म्हळ्यार तुमी कितले बोम काण ह्यो दीस पर्टिक्युलरली वो टायम दोन परासो तुमकां काम आसलें पूण ते पुरा रायट सायडीक दवरून मूवी पळोवंक आयले आतां मस्त देव बरें करूं आनी स्पेशली जयल तुमकां पिक्चरान मेसेज मेळ्ळा पयली मेसेज म्हणून तुमकां गुर्त आसा ल्हानशें सिंपल पिक्चर हे पूण जाल्यार खंडी आसल्यात तुमी आनी एक बरी मेसेज आयले म्हणून चिंता सो ताज्या खातीर आनी मुख्य हांव मॅक्साक सांगता तुमकां फुले आनी केक कटींग आनी तुमकां कसले रिफ्रेशमेंट दिवचे खातीर
One of the most important is the movie and why we are all here is support Konkani. And as a community here, what is most importantly is being together as a community because we are dispersed everywhere. As Konkani movie आता 778 years old. I really appreciate the initiative originally and till the last minute all the arrangement is by Joel. You have really articulated very well.
Thank you.
And it has been always pleasure. You are there in every community organization. You are taking a leadership role. Thank you. Chetan, thank you very much. You have been always backbone of every institution. You are always here. We thank you. And most important, thank you to you all.
Yes.
Thank you.
And before we cut the cake and disperse, one announcement. On May 11th, we are bringing Mangalorean artists Alwyn Sequeira and Movin Quadras, and we are having a mega show, theatrical show in Meadowvale Theatre. We have announced the show already, and the ticket prices are 20, 30, and 50. I'm sure it will be full, so I request you all to book in advance. so that you get the prime seat because खऱ्या मोगीक मुकलो जागो बरो जागो जायचे मस्त देव करू प्लीज कम जस्ट कम
Congratulations to all of us. Chetan. Congratulations.